Do you want to see PacketStream payment proof before deciding to actually use this platform? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using PacketStream for quite a while and I've often been asked about payment proof, so I decided to record a video where I actually take my earnings out so you can see exactly how to take them out and also see that it actually does pay. But that of course does not necessarily mean that it's the right option for you, so I'll also explain a little bit more about how much you can expect to earn so you can decide if you want to use it or not. So before I log in and show you how to withdraw money from PacketStream, then just shortly let me explain what it actually is if you do not know. This is a platform where you can join and you can earn by sharing your unused internet. So you can earn passively just by having it installed. And you can use it from more or less all countries. But when it comes to the payout methods, that also limits in some ways which countries you can actually use it from, but I will get to that when I actually show you the payout methods. But this is not a full review where I'll explain exactly how it works, because I have that somewhere else on my channel and on my website. I will leave links to that below if you want to see a full PacketStream review and tutorial. Here I want to focus on the payout process, so I'll show you how I get paid and I'll also show you payment proof so you can see that it actually is a way to earn before you decide if you should invest your time here or not. So I have now logged into my PacketStream account, and you can see here I then go to my account settings here, and then I have a withdraw section where I can see how much I currently have, and I have $6.20 in my account. And it has taken me quite a bit of time to earn this here. You will not earn huge money just by having it installed on one device, but also, as I already explained, you actually do not have to do anything. And I also know some people will now ask exactly how long did it take and all that. And that does not make sense to talk about because it so much depends on the country you live in, what devices you're using, how many devices are you using, and all this. So you can read more about that in my full review on my website. As already mentioned, I will leave a link below here, and there you can also see how to join if you decide you want to give it a go. But let me just make it clear that it will not give you huge earnings. But the big advantage is that you also do not have to do anything. You will not find any completely passive earning methods where you just install it like here and then you will earn $20 a day without doing anything. That's not how it works. But the great thing about passive income methods like PacketStream is that they really are passive. You just set it and then you do not have to do anything else. But let's now then go over how I actually cash out. So as you can see, I would need to give my PayPal email, and that means that currently, as of recording this video here, the only payout methods PacketStream offers is actually PayPal. So that's what I mentioned earlier, that it has some limitations in regards to which countries you can use it from, because I know that PayPal is not available in all countries. So if you live in a country where you cannot get a PayPal account, then PacketStream is not for you. Then you can, for example, use Honeygain instead, which also pays out in Bitcoin, in addition to PayPal, and I'll leave a link in the top corner here to more tutorials about Honeygain. But if you do live in a country where you can get paid via PayPal, then what you just need to do here, after you've earned enough here to get paid, and the minimum you need to earn to be able to take your earnings out is $5, so you can see I have reached that now, then all you have to do is to write your PayPal email here, and I will just do that now. And then you just click the withdraw button. And you can see now here, your cash out request has been received. And then as soon as you click that, you will also receive an email saying that they have actually received it here and that your payment will be processed soon. But they do not say exactly how long it will take. But once I get the email here from PayPal confirming that I actually got the money into my account, I will also take a screenshot and I will put that here in this video here. I will also write exactly how long it took to get the money so you can see that it actually did pay. I got the money into my PayPal account, and you can also see exactly how long it took. So as you can see, PacketStream actually does pay. Whether it's the right way for you to earn or not really depends on your expectations. But you do not have to worry about whether you will actually get the money you earn or not, as you can see here. And if you want to know even more about PacketStream, or if you want to see how to join, then I will leave a link to a full review here below this video here, so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.